Ciao, Azariah, Ayana, and Abriana. Hey, I'm just sending you a message, and I'm going to show you a little bit of guitar. I'm going to try to still stay up on that, and I'll start doing it today, actually. And I'm going to throw a little bit of Italian in there too. So, buonasera, that means good evening. And anyways, the guitar part is real easy. This is one of my my electric guitars, but anyways, I just want to show you kind of what I showed you before. It's kind of like you take your finger like this, and then you move it back and forth like that, and you hit these two strings right here. So you hit those two strings, and just kind of muffle your strings at first, just like this. So you go like just practice. Or you can go. And then what you do on this finger, you go. Here, I got it on distortion right now, but this is what it sounds like on acoustic. And all I'm doing is hitting this string right here, right in that location right there. So I'm just hitting that one and hitting the top two strings, hitting this string and that string, and just go. Now when you get your courage up, you can go ahead and hit this other string up here and kind of rock back and forth like this. Go like. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to give you something simple. You work on that, and then we'll go to the next string next time we get together. Just want to say, è stato un piacere, which means it's a pleasure. But if you want to say, how are you doing, you would say, come stai? Can you say it? Come stai? That means, how are you doing? So, anyways, I will use that next time I meet with you guys. And I love you both, all three of you, very much. And I hope to talk to you again soon. All right. Ciao. Buona serata. That means have a good evening. Ciao.